Take a ride in the 2014 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 700 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.